Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys we're talking about Stonk Journal review and how to use. So guys, this is a platform for crypto. You can trading a free and fast and use, and it is easy to use and enough easily integrated to daily routine. So guys, this is my dashboard on this platform. You have this $94 as money to test this platform. You have dashboard from here, and you have this tokens and states and the side and quantity. You have calendar here option guys. You have state option from here. You can check everything on this token. Just if you want to trade, click new trade from here, and you can choose the market your trade, and you have symbol from here. You have target and stop loss. You can choose stock or crypto or option on features or forex. For example, crypto, from here guys add your symbol, or for example BTC, and the target, write your target. From here click buy option. So guys, if I go back, this is all. If you want to save, click save, and if you don't want to save it, click one and click new setup. If you have new trade setup, you can choose a stock or crypto from here, and you can write target from here. This is all performance of day and performance by hours, by week, and this is some the reviews guys about this platform. You have charts with until exists. You have a lot of option. You can multiple accounts portfolios. So guys, this is the platform, and this is my account. You can export your data as a CSV file. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share this video for more content.